so I'm going to start making a basic tomato sauce for my students currently doing the grade 11-12 class. We have done this maybe once, but this should just be a review essentially, and the recipe will be on the classroom for everybody else. Nice place to start. So crack the garlic so that it can be peeled a bit easier. And cut off that bit. I don't always love a lot of garlic in my tomato sauce, but this particular one for eggplant parmesan, I think it does. It does need a good amount of garlic in it. So I might actually get another clove of garlic. Okay. Once again, I've mentioned dealing with garlic. If you want to get the smell of garlic and onions off your hands, wash it in cool water and use something stainless. Could be a knife, could be the tap, could be the edge of the sink. Use that like a bar of soap, rub your hands on it, and it will get most of the smell of the garlic off. Okay, as I say in class, cut the onion stem to stern. All right. Make sure you've got the root on one end, the tip on the other. Cut off the tip. To make sure that your area is clear. Take the outer layer of the onion off. And again, I'm going to follow these lines in order to cut the onion. This is for tomato sauce, so I actually want the onions fairly finely diced. And that's a fairly strong onion. Okay, I don't usually teach cutting in towards the hand. I don't think it's necessary, and I think it's an additional risk, especially with high school students. Okay. And there's my one whole onion. I will be using double the recipe that is listed in the classroom.